today's drawing. For that I'm going to draw tilted square shape on little bit on the right hand side. And this is going to be the middle line and plus sign. Now I'm going to move my middle line a little bit this side. So this corner I'm going to curve. This corner I'm going to curve. So in this line, this is the middle point. From the middle point I will start one triangle shape but curvy. And under this one line and one smiley here and one smiley here. This side I'm going to turn this one just slightly in. If you don't want to, you don't have to. Now next to this one little bit gap, and I'm going to do not straight, little bit tilted, one this side, one this side. Now on the top of this line, from here and from here we can start one kind of like alphabet U. So I will go from here straight, and then this side I'm going to turn curvy. So this one is straight and then curved a little bit, and this side again I will start and I will make it thicker here and thinner this side. So I will start from here. I will go slowly by slowly parallel to this line. When I reach here, I will start turning this one to get thicker or wider. I will start from here. I will do one big alphabet C. From here I'm going to do alphabet C or smiley face over here, and then again one more next to this one. So it's kind of like right now pattern, all of them are going same way. So what I will do, I will pull this one little bit up here, and then I will not do alphabet C anymore. I will do kind of like a U. This is skinny, then I will do make little bit bigger shape, and from here I will do kind of like a C or U, you can say. This one, it's turning in little bit. Now I will do another one here, alphabet U. Try to match with this one, not really long and not really skinny, thicker on this side and then thinner on bottom. So now it looks a little bit smaller than this, so I will go and make it little bit bigger here. Now from here we are going to start three of the C. So one, and the second one will be little bit out like a cloud, and then third one, and whatever we can see inside we are going to erase over here. Now we will start from the top of the ear over here, and I will do one curvy line here, another curvy line, and again I don't want to create patterns, so I will do tiny bit over here and then maybe big one. So as much as high you can draw a shape wherever you want to draw, and on the top we will work. Now for the body I'm going to start from here. It's kind of like a big ellipse shape, so I will start from here. It's just a rough idea, maybe from here and I will draw one leg over here, one leg over here, one leg here, and one small leg will be here, and bottom is going to be the curvy for all of them, and second line will be here, and then tail I will do over here. before we will draw the curvy lines over here, let's do the leg first. So this leg I want little bit tilted style, so this one and little bit in, we don't know where we will end, so I will draw a little bit in, and then this is going to be curvy here. This one also I want a little bit tilted over here and longer than this one, so I will make this one little bit smaller. And this is going to be a little bit longer than this one. I want this leg to be a little bit in over here and tilted. More roundish. So I have to move this one too over here. On the top of this leg, we can do alphabet W. This one we can do one C. And we can curve this one and this one both side, and from here we can do one big, one small. So this way will not create any pattern. Over here, this one we can do a little bit, again little bit high or skinny. So again, two of them I did. Now I have to turn this one. One curvy here, one curvy small one here, and we can do 2 or 3 curves, as many as curves will fit here. From here I'm going to do 1, 2, maybe 3, 4, something like that. Now it looks like a pattern, so I will turn this one in, maybe this one in. So let's erase and see how does it look. So I like this one. I just moved this one little bit inside so it doesn't show me any pattern anymore. All these lines I'm making curvy and kind of like a curvy alphabet U. So next to this one, again I'm going to draw one rectangle or squarish shape, but how down we can draw. So this is the line, or this line I will pick. On the top I'm going to do little bit tilted, so very close to this one. So I will try to go next to this one, and I will turn this one. I will do square shape and then plus sign. So I will start from here and I will curve it slowly by slowly, and I will go close to this line. When I reach, I will do kind of like a curvy but straight at the same time, and then I will turn from here. I will this time not go here, kind of like in the middle, going up. At the same time, I don't want this one to go straight. I want this one to go curvy, then go in and then out, kind of like alphabet S shape, very slightly. So for the top part, I started here on the top of this line. I will go and draw one light line to make sure where I'm going to draw these bumpies. So for that I did here. Now I'm going to do kind of like a W. I will start with the W and then big, maybe curvy line or alphabet C. Then another one I will do You have to keep doing it and try to not do any pattern. Now we can start from here or here, doesn't matter. From here I will start, I will go very close to this line and I will turn this one, and from here it's a straight line like the way we did both of them. So same thing, top is going to be thicker and then it's going to be thinner, and this one I will connect over here. Over here I will do two of them, same style like alphabet U, thinner on the bottom, thicker on the top. So this was my guideline, so I will move little bit this side as we move for this one. And now over here, very bottom over here, I'm going to draw one triangle shape over here and one tiny line, and then two cute smiley faces over here, and one eye will be here. So this one is kind of like a side style. Now we will do a smiley face over here, one, and then another one over here. For the body we will start from here somewhere, wherever you feel like, and it's going towards this direction, so you can pick and then you can draw this curvy line and keep drawing this one wherever it will connect. That's totally fine. For me, I want body to be a little bit more smaller, so I will drop it here. I will make it a little bit more smaller here. So I want the tail to be here, and then legs very tiny ones, so I will start one over here, this one, and then back one here, and this one I can do here, this one we can do some tiny here. The same thing I will do double all of them, and thickness will be almost same, and curvy alphabet U. For the tail, 1, 2, 3 or 4, as many as it will fit here. We will start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. Now I did the framing over here. Now I will start the background. So if I will start from here, kind of like a curvy line over here, but slightly, not really hill style, just slightly, or you can do straight. So it will go here, it will come here, and if I want to start another one, maybe here, it will go here because we cannot see here. Go here, and from here it can go here. Now I can start from here. Then it will look like a pattern, so I will draw one more. So here we cannot see, maybe it's coming here. Now we have to do some bushes, like curvy lines. Maybe 1, 2, 3. Maybe one here to disturb the pattern. 1 on the top, 2, then 3, and 4, 5, something like that. Now over here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, like that. Here we can draw birds. Here we can draw clouds, so do like this, and on the hill we can do curvy lines both sides, like alphabet V and then curvy alphabet in the middle. Or we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, or maybe 5, maybe 3. So you have to just do it as much as you need it.